To set up your new CK-Mini machine, start by carefully opening the box and removing all product literature. After removing the product literature, you should find the following items in your bag: warranty registration card, quality assurance checklist, user manual, and read this first instructions. Next, remove the hose. Take the CK-Mini machine out of the box and sit on a flat, even surface. To connect the blower hose, simply align the hose with the machine and turn the hose collar clockwise to ensure it's securely fastened. Then, attach the clear fluid line by connecting the line from the hose to the white connector on the machine. Insert until you hear a click or feel that it is completely inserted. Now you're ready for fluid. Start by turning the fluid reservoir cap counterclockwise to remove. Then fill with approved disinfecting solution. Remember, overfilling or underfilling could cause damage to your machine. Replace the fluid reservoir cap by turning clockwise until it's securely fastened. Connect your machine to a power source and turn the power switch to the I or on position. Make sure your hose is pointed in the desired direction and you're ready to spray. For additional information, visit our website at www.vseglobal.com or give us a call at 256-229-5551.